Hi, we are in the front of a terrifying blizzard. We got at least 4 inches of snow. Some people aren't even that tall.
Now here is some facts we are going to tell you about blizzards. A blizzard is a really hard pushing force of snow. Blizzards often occur in cold places where winds blow strongly and Antarctica, for example. However, these storms can happen almost anywhere in the right conditions.
Climate from the Indian Ocean article. Much of the Indian Ocean lies within the tropical and temperature zones. Temperatures in these zones are hot to wild. Winds called monsoons also affect the climate of the region. Monsoons change directions according to the season. From October through April, and the winter monsoons now blows from the northeast.
North Korea shares border with China, Russia, and South Korea. The Sea of Japan, which is called the East Sea, and Korea forms North Korea's east coast. The Yellow Sea forms the country's west coast.
What is a nor'easter? Nor'easter can occur in the United States anytime between October and April, when moisture and cold air are plentiful. A nor'easter is named for the winds that blow in from northeast and drive the storm up to the east coast along the Gulf Stream and Marco scale. Storms against the east coast of the United States of America and Atlantic Canada. It gets its name from the direction the wind is coming from. The usage of the term of North America comes from the wind associated many very different kinds of storms, some of which can form in the North Atlantic Ocean.